Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an animated Facebook post on Lottie files. So let's get started. As you can see, now we're on our home page. When you open the app, it defaultly sets you on this page, so you don't have to click anywhere or do anything to end up here. So in the first section we have create with animated templates. In the second section we have create animated posts. The fifth option, the last one in the row, is Facebook posts. We're going to select that and it takes us here. As you can see, we have options canvas, animation, text, background, and if you slide here a little, you'll see full screen. Firstly, canvas. When you click on that, you see all the available canvases for a TikTok video, Instagram story post, Twitter post, Facebook post, LinkedIn post, blank with ratio 1:1 and blank with ratio 16:9. So we've already selected our canvas in the previous setting. And the second option we have is animations, third is text, fourth is background. So first we're going to start from the background. We're going to add a background here. So as you can see, you can set your background to three options. You can set it either to solid color, you can take a photo or a video in real time, or you can upload a photo and a video from your gallery. For this video, we're gonna upload a photo or a video from this gallery. So for example, this photo of nature. If the photo is bigger than the ratio of the Facebook post, you can always move it more down or more up with your fingers. You just have to use two fingers. So let's set it to like here. Now that we've set our background, we can start editing or setting animations to it. So we're gonna click on the animations emoji. And as you can see, here we have animations of emojis, of the standard emojis. You can scroll down, see, and select what emoji you might like to add to this post. For example, let's add the heart emoji. Now we've had our heart emoji centered in the center. So how do we move that? When you click on the emoji, as you can see here in the sidebar, you have a circle. And when you move the circle down and up, you minimize or maximize the size of the emoji. So you can set the size to whatever size you'd like, and what size might please you. So let's say this one. Next, we have a color palette. So you can change the color of your emoji. So you just click on the color palette, you slide down, and let's see, for example, this one, or this one, or this one. And when you're satisfied with the color palette, you just click apply to apply that color palette. If you don't want to apply a color palette, you can always click on the left corner of the color palette popping off box. So we're going to apply it this time. So we're going to click apply. Next, you can set it to the speed of the animations movement. So it could be set on 1 as it is right now on default. You can increase it just by clicking on 1. So as you can see now it goes faster. If you click again, it's going to go to 4 or even faster than before. And because 4 is the maximum speed, if you click again, you're going to set it to the minimum speed, which is 0.2. You can set it to 0.5 just by clicking on it again, or you can reset it back to 1 just by clicking on it again. It could be in a loop, or it could just play out once and then stop. Now it's in a loop, so it's playing out all the time. As you can see, it's bouncing. If we click on loop and set it to no loop, as you see, it does like 2 or 3 bits and it stops moving. So for this post, we would like it to keep moving throughout the whole post. So we're going to click again and set it to loop again. When you're done editing your animation, you just click wherever on the screen on the post, and that goes down the animation bar. To move the animation to whatever place you like, you have to tap it with your finger and start moving it around till you find the perfect placement for it. Your animation, let's put it in the bottom right corner. This is not the only animation you can add. As you can see here down, we have a lot of other options for animations. Or not a lot, a bit. But those are not the only available animations. You can add other animation just by clicking on this plus square here next to the first animation that appears, next to the monkey. And here you have all your free animations. So you can slide down, select an animation from here, or if you don't find the animation that you are looking for that's suitable for you here just by sliding down, you can always go up in the search bar and search the animation of your choice by a keyword, for example, nature, trees, etc. So we're gonna select this animation, the heart animation, and when you've selected the animation of choice, you just click add animation. And as you see, it popped off on our screen again. So when you click on this animation, you can see that you have the same settings as the previous one. So you can change the color, you can set it to no loop, you can increase the speed. For example, let's increase the speed for this one. And let's increase the size to the max. So to move this more to the center, you just tap it with your finger and drag it along. For example, we want it to stay here. If we want to add another heart to make it look more aesthetical in our upper left corner, we're just gonna click on animations here again. We're gonna select the heart and we're gonna search in the color palette. We're gonna click on apply. Next, we're gonna minimize it a bit and we're gonna place it just by clicking on it, and we're gonna place it into the left upper corner. So as you can see, now our Facebook animated post is done and we wanted to save it to our device. So we're gonna click on share in the upper right corner. And because if you don't want it to share it immediately to Facebook, you can save it to your device and share it later. So we're gonna click on save to device. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.